Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today's video, I'm gonna show you how to control the light emitting diode brightness display using Arduino Uno module. Before we start, these are the materials we need. We have 6 pieces light emitting diode display. We have 5 cm male-to-male jumper wires and the Arduino Uno module and Arduino Uno connector. Let us now build our circuit. First, connect all the LEDs to our breadboard. Okay, then be sure that all the negative of LEDs connected in this line. Then using the black jumper wire, we connect the ground located in Arduino Uno module to the breadboard. Okay, since we have a jumper here, the ground will flow from this line going to this line to supply the ground of the LEDs. Then next, we connect the first LED to pin number 3. Then the second LED connected to the pin number 5. Then the third LED connected to the pin number 6. Then the fourth LED connected to the pin number 8. Then the fifth LED connected to pin number 10. Then the last LED or the 6 LEDs connected to the pin number 11. Then lastly, we connect the Arduino connector to the Arduino Uno. Then connect this port in our laptop or computer. Once we connected the USB connector in our laptop or in computer, go to my computer, go to manage, then go to device manager, then go to port, then check if the Arduino Uno communication port is properly connected. Then now we can open the Arduino IDE or Integrated Development Environment. Then go to Tools, then check the board if Arduino Uno, then go to Port, check if the communication port is communication port 3. Then go to File, then let's open example, go to basic, then let's open the paid example. Okay, then this is the instruction to control the brightness. Okay, then based on the comment, okay, the sign, okay, this sign represent the PWM. Okay, the pin number 3, 5, 6, 9, 10, and 11. Then, let's copy this source code in our sketch. Then, let's verify if there is an error in copying the instruction. Okay, then let's upload the program in Arduino Uno module. Okay, then as you can see, the LED 9, okay, we use as an output. Since the variable LED is equal to 9, then we set up the pin mode LED as an output. Since we have 6 LED, okay, we can delete this one. Okay, then let's put the pin number 3, okay, all pins that we declared in our circuit. Okay, then pin number 3. Next is pin number 5. Then pin number 6. Pin number 8. Sorry, pin number 9. Then pin number 10. And then lastly, the pin number 11. Okay, then double check. That is pin number 3, pin number 5, pin number 6, 9, 10, and 11. Then void loop, analog write, LED brightness. Then we declare all the pin number as an output. Okay, then let's change this as 3, okay, for the brightness. Okay, then let's copy this, okay, for other LEDs. Okay, then that's it. That is pin number 5, pin number 6, pin number 9, then pin number 10, and then pin number 11. Okay, then let's check first if there is an error. Okay, there is no error. Then let's upload this program in our Arduino Uno module. Okay guys, all LEDs will slowly on and off. Okay, then with the brightness of 0 and pin amount of 5. If you want to control the speed and the brightness, we can change this value. Like example, we change this as 1, then we change this as 9. Okay, then let's upload what happened to our LED. Okay, as you can see, the brightness of LED will bright. Okay, then the fade amount will become faster. Okay, then if you want to control the brightness, adjust this value. Then if you want to adjust the fade amount, adjust this value. Okay guys, if you learn to my videos, don't forget to like, subscribe, and push the notification button for some updates. And thanks for watching.